Guys, you know when you want to create a children's book but you don't know how to draw or write professionally? Yeah, we've all been there, and it feels impossible to get started without those skills. But recently, I discovered this platform called ReadKidz, and it might be one of the best solutions I've tried for creating picture books with no artistic background at all. I'm 𝘽𝙬𝙀, and today I'm going to show you how the platform works and how it helps you create professional-looking children's books in just minutes. We'll also explore the publishing options for those who want to make money from their creations. Guys, click the link in the description to complete your registration and get 1,000 bonus points. Unlock your storytelling experience. Now, let's jump right in. Alright friends, let's talk about the platform itself. ReadKidz is an AI-powered tool that handles everything from story generation to illustrations and layouts. From text to images and composition, everything is built into one single platform, making the complex process of book production accessible to everyone. With this tool, you no longer have to worry about your writing or illustration skills. You simply enter your story idea, and the AI automatically generates matching illustrations. The platform maintains character consistency throughout your book, so your main character looks the same on every page. This tool is perfect for several types of users. Parents can create personalized books featuring their own children. Educators can create customized educational materials that match their curriculum. And creators can publish books on Amazon KDP to generate passive income. It supports multiple languages and comes with royalty-free outputs, which means you own everything you create. Alright friends, let's move on to the creation process. The good news is that it's incredibly simple. First, go to ReadKidz and create an account. You'll receive bonus credits when you sign up, and you can earn more by logging in daily. Once on the platform, you'll see a user-friendly interface designed specifically for picture book creation. The homepage features AI image generation and various tools to bring your stories to life. You may also notice the ongoing picture book creation contest. Participants have a chance to win cash prizes and platform points, which is a great way to get involved in the community and showcase your work. Guys, once you're logged in, click on Create New Book and select the AI generation feature. Now you need to enter a basic story description. You can choose from the suggestions or write your own idea. Let's say we want a story about a young girl who plants a magic seed. Enter it, select your target age group, choose a genre, and pick a mood. All that's left is to click Generate Story, and in about 2 minutes, you'll have a complete draft with characters automatically created. And now comes the fun part, friends, choosing a visual style. ReadKidz offers more than 200 different artistic styles optimized for children's aesthetics. You'll find everything from soft watercolors to bold minimalist designs, vintage sketches, and modern cartoon-inspired looks. I have to say, the variety is impressive, giving you full creative control over how your book looks. For this demonstration, I'm selecting the pencil watercolor style. Once you've chosen your style, click Next to generate character images. The platform creates 4 different versions of each character for you to choose from. Pick the one that best matches your vision. Then move on to the storyboard view. You can see that the Smart tool has automatically split your story into individual pages with text. You can edit any of them, delete pages, or add new ones. And when you feel your storyboard looks good, guys, click Next to start generating page illustrations. For each page, you'll be given multiple image options. Click on any text element to move it freely. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and edit colors to match your design. And what's really cool, guys, is that you can also add background music and stickers to visually enhance your pages. Once everything is perfect, you have export options. Download your book as a high-resolution PDF for printing or for Amazon KDP. But here's the coolest part. You can click Generate Video to turn your book into an animated video with AI voiceover. Let me walk you through the process. First, you'll see options to select your preferred voiceover style. You can choose from different voice types and accents to match the tone of your story. Once you've chosen your voice, the Smart tool generates narration for your entire book. After the voiceover is ready, click Generate Video. You can now customize your video by applying sound effects and choosing animation styles for smooth transitions between pages. Next, add background music from the platform's library to create the perfect atmosphere and enhance the viewing experience. Once everything is set up, click Generate. And within minutes, you'll have a fully animated video version of your book with professional narration and music. Let me show you the final result.
The magic seed in grandmother's garden. In the quiet town of 𝘽𝙬𝙀, there lived a Some children wished for the fruit to grant magic wishes, while others wondered if it would taste sweet.
And you can see for yourself the quality of this book, with smooth page transitions and clear, engaging narration that brings the story to life. Alright everyone, let's wrap this up. ReadKidz removes all the barriers between you and your creative goals. For anyone who's ever wanted to create children's books but felt intimidated by the skills required, this platform changes everything. Guys, sign up for a free account and try it out for yourself. For creators looking to generate passive income, the Amazon KDP integration makes publishing simple. And for parents and educators, it's an incredible way to create personalized content for children. Have you ever wanted to create a children's book but didn't know where to start? Share your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to check the links in the description below. You might find some discounts. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.